climb inside the 2021 Toyota 4Runner. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a 4-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power front seats, heated seats, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.